morning, everyone. It's 5 a.m. and today's Saturday, the 18th, May 2019. This is a journal of everything I'm going to be doing moving forward. I have other videos, but this one's going to be different because everything's set up. You're starting anew, and one of the things I'm going to discuss today is frustration and setting up a business. It's something that's not easy, but I actually had a breakdown yesterday. Wow, never had a breakdown like that. Not to be negative, but actually positive. Something did come out positive of that. Me and my wife, we got more in sync with what we wanted to do and how we're going to approach it. Um, it was interesting. Me and O'Malley. I'll be honest with you, I broke down. I was crying and everything like a little kid. But I think it's when you really want something and you want it so bad, but you're not focused. I didn't know how to start, or I had a lot of things going on. Like I had the marketing pages going on. I had Pro Marketing Pages, which is a marketing company I'm starting. I had the real estate aspect of it that I'm also trying to run, and also the cleaning business. And the marketing piece of it, even though I'm using it in both businesses, I thought my mentality was, since you're doing it anyways, just market that to other people. I think I could still do that, but it's not, it shouldn't be the major focus. Major focus would be how to set up the other two businesses, like the real estate business and the cleaning business, and the journey of what I'm doing with the marketing tools and resources to be able to implement it to develop the other two businesses. And now I have a little bit more clarity, which I didn't have before. And it's just great. Sometimes when you aren't clear on what you want, you just have to take a time out and really figure out what is it you want and how you plan to achieve it. And that's what it's really all about. So this is going to be a journal. Every day I'm going to actually do this, because I was listening to a great video. It was talking about, I think it was Marcus Aurelius, and it was talking about the Stoic method and how self-reflection and meditation actually helps you achieve your goals in a much easier way. And it was just eye-opening how everything was just opening up to me. I really believe in the law of attraction. I follow Abraham Hicks' teachings, which is crazy for some, but it's really worked for me. And one of the things they talk about is you attract what you focus on most. And I need to focus more on the success, the outcome I want, versus my current reality. Which the current reality is great. I mean, I can't complain. I'm so grateful for the last 5 to 6 months, I've been doing what I want. And not a lot of people could get to do that. And I've gotten to do that. So that's astonishing to me. And I still have some months to go. So I was feeling kind of down because, and I don't say it to get back to the negative. Abraham says 17 seconds. You have 17 seconds to say anything you want negative, and then get back to being aligned, being positive, being happy, because that's how you attract good things to you. If you focus on being happy, you'll attract happy thoughts, happy things. If you focus on what's going wrong in your life, you're just going to attract more of that. It's kind of like the glass half full, glass half empty. I'm sorry, I see it reflects on, maybe I need some anti-glare glasses or whatnot. Anyways, it's so true. It's so true. And I'm going to try to focus on one theme going forward, or maybe not. This could be rambling. This is for me. I know it could be for you also, but it might not be for you. You might not even see this, but so yeah, so let's talk about, okay, breakdown, because I was overwhelmed. I was doing a whole bunch of things, focusing on all different things. To this day, I'm still focusing on a lot of different things, but today is going to be organization day. I'm going to organize myself better, and sometimes you just have to stop, take inventory of where you're at, and plan where you want to be and how you're going to get there. Plain and simple. And I have this whiteboard I'm going to share with you. Let me see if I could. Oh, this is a new one. Let me find it here. Whiteboard. Here it is. If I could make it bigger. Okay. I don't know if you can see it that well. Yeah. So basically I divided, and my handwriting is crazy, so bear with me. I divided everything in two. So you got the real estate business and you got the cleaning business. Pro marketing pages is just like tools I'm going to be implementing. Maybe I should have written it down, but plain and simple. Pro marketing pages, I'm going to use Envato. I'm going to try that. Envato Elements has a lot of things like photos, mock-ups, music, things I could use into marketing, but that's going to be more like a hobby thing for me. I also use ClickFunnels for my landing pages, and Canva for canva.com for my art development, lettering, ads, whatnot. And we're going to use Facebook to launch traffic to these landing pages created in ClickFunnels. You can Google all that. Later on, I'll probably add links to the video. So what are we going to be focusing on? On real estate, what I did was I emptied everything I want to do next week. And I'm going to put a green number right next to it, depending on 3 things I'm going to choose. Like, for example, I'm going to prioritize what's most important, and I'm going to focus on that. Like right now, I already have a landing page for a lead magnet of a home buyer's book to attract new home buyers. So what I want to do is create an ad. I'll probably do that today. That leads to the landing page, launches traffic to the landing page, which is a squeeze page. Maybe I should explain what that is. Okay, so a landing page is basically a page that when you enter a URL, you land on that page, which is also a squeeze page. And that squeeze page, it's like a website, but there's no home, tools, about us, nothing. It's just a page, and you have two options. Either you put your email or you get out. That's what Russell says. And it's true. That's why they call it squeeze page. You either squeeze through or you leave. And the way you squeeze through is just putting your name and email. And in exchange for that email, you get a free report. And that's exactly what we're going to be working on. They're going to get, instead, whoever fills in their email is going to get a free guide that talks about buying your first home or buying a new home. I'll show you the guide. Ooh. I organized my folder and now I can't find it. Let me look for it right now. Bear with me. Here it is. Here's the folder. And I'm going to show you the guide. Let me move this out of the way. Now the ebook you can find by researching online. There are a lot of, I found this one from searching online for research. Honestly, it was a law of attraction. I guess this was awesome. I don't know how I came across this book. This is just fell in my lap, you could say. New Home Buying Basics. Building a home from the ground up is one of the most exciting and rewarding experiences in all home ownership. It's a great book. Basically, provides great value, and that's what you want to offer your people. Great value. Talks about the home buying process, start from finish. This is something you can use as content creation. And you can learn these things, which you should if you're in real estate. You should know this. And if you're going to work with new home buyers, and you can use this as content for writing posts. You can use it for videos where you teach. I'm noticing that videos isn't my forte. I have like they say, a face for radio. Maybe I'm too self-conscious, but I think I'm going to be writing more. That's a better forte for me. So yeah, this is a great resource, and we're going to be working on creating an ad to a landing page, squeeze page, where we'll be offering that book in exchange for their email. We're going to promote it through Facebook, and we're going to put a $5 ad or $10 ad and see how it goes. We're going to test it. Then when I get a chance, we're going to create 5 headlines, 5 post texts for the same ad, but then we're going to create different lead magnets, and we can use that as content at our Facebook page as well. Or I could just write content. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll probably offer both. I'll offer an opportunity for them to upload it, and I'll offer an opportunity for them to have the information in the post. Cleaning biz. With the cleaning biz, we're going to focus on keep it simple and stupid. Keep it short and simple. You have 5 mics, coaching. The reason for that is it's straight to the point. I already took the coaching, so I could start implementing now versus waiting to get through Decision Makers course, which is also an awesome course. But with Mike, I could do activities now. I don't have to wait another couple of weeks. And then as we move forward, we'll refine it with Decision Maker at the micro level. We're going to be getting organized today. We think of this week prepping a website. We're going to play with Envato to see what marketing tools we could develop from that, but that's going to be a hobby. And we're going to follow up on an ad I put yesterday for hiring. We want to start having a pool of people we could send to properties. And yeah, we have to start the hiring process. We're going to schedule a meeting probably on Friday, an interview. It's going to be a group interview. I'm going to prep the questions for the group interview. And location, I was thinking maybe Panera Bread or Starbucks. Or I really don't know. I'll think of it. Should be somewhere we could sit, in a group and just have a conversation depending on how many people there are. I could consider maybe one of these satellite offices. Maybe even the local library. Who knows? Yeah, I'll probably write that in. So I think that's it for now. That's my plan. On the emotional side, yeah, definitely get clear on your goals. Have a clear plan, what you're gonna do next. Um, one of the things I failed, I think, is I don't have the big picture plan. I know the big picture plan is to have a cleaning business and launch a real estate business. Cleaning business, I think the goal was like 200 clients, but that's the end goal. Yeah, I think 200 at 200 clients, paying 200 each. It's like 40,000 divided by 50%. It's like 20,000. So we actually need more than that because we want to be generating at least $4,000 a month. So we're looking at about, wow, 400 clients. That's something we need to get clear on. And I'll probably do that today as part of getting organized plan. So yeah, that's my journaling for today. I don't know how long it's been. I'll probably do one of these each morning, 15 minutes. Sorry if my energy's low. I've just been tired, working hard, not too smart. So love you and take care, you guys. Take care.